Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Coder. Today we are going to see write a program in C. The statement for the program is we have to check whether the entered number is an Armstrong number or not. So first we will see what is an Armstrong number. So Armstrong number is a number where the sum of the digits in the number is raised to total length of the number is equal to number itself. So you will not understand this definition, it is very complex, so I will explain with an example. Suppose there is a number 153. So what we are saying that if the total length of this number is 3, so 1 raised to 3, so 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3. We have to check this total. So 1's cube is 1 plus 5's cube is 125 plus 3's cube is 27. So what is the value of this sum? So we get the value that is equal to 153. So an Armstrong number is a number whose if we see the length of the number, and if we for a single digit in that number we give that the length as the power and we check the sum, then it should be equal to the number itself. So here is 153. So there are some few examples such as Armstrong number. There are not so many Armstrong numbers available. They are in limited quantity itself. So now let's see how we will write the C program for finding and checking whether the entered number is an Armstrong number or not. So I am using an online compiler. You can use VS Code and try to run the program in it also. So this is the basic structure of the C code, that is hash include stdio. This is our preprocessor directive, then int main function, then in this it will be, here we will write our main code, that will be the program, and return 0. So first we will take variables. So first we have to check whether the number entered is an Armstrong number. So first we will take an input from the user. So we will write printf enter a, instead of writing a number we will take 3-digit number, 3-digit number. Then we will use scanf statement to take the input from the user, and %d because we are taking the input in integer, then ampersand. First we will create a variable int num and num. So what we are doing here, we have created a variable that is int num, then we have taken a that value from the user using the printf, that is enter 3-digit number, and scanf statement. Now to check whether the number is an Armstrong number or not, we should segregate the number into individual digits. So we will need more variables. So we will add one more here. We will segregate the number into 3. If 3-digit number, then we will use first digit, second digit, and third digit. So first digit, second digit, third digit. Okay. Now to find the first digit, what we will do, first digit is equal to num, our variable that we in which we have taken the number from the user, modulo 10. So what will this do? We will get a digit at zeros place. So in modulo operator, what we do is, what we check is the numerator. So if you divide any number by the obtained number, suppose you get 153. So if you divide by 10, then the remainder will be 3. So that will be our digit at the tens place or zeros place. So we got our first digit. Then we will check for the third digit is equal to number divided by 100. So it will give the digit at 100's place. Okay, so now we will find the second digit. Now if you want to find the second digit, first we should divide the number by 10. So we will need one more variable to store the number, store the value, that is the number divided by 10. So we will take one more variable over here. Let that name be number 1. So second digit is equal to, so first we will calculate number 1. Number 1 is equal to num, here also it will be num divided by 10. So here what is happening, when we have wrote number 1 is equal to num divided by 10, so we in divide operation we will take the quotient. So if the number is 153, so if divided by 10, so what will be the quotient? 15. So we have to find the number that is the at the second digit, that is at the tens place, that is 5. So we will use the next logic, that is second digit is equal to number 1 modulo 10. So this will give us the number at tens place. Okay, so modifying the code a little bit. See, okay, so we have got all 3 numbers. So we can print them using the print statement, printf. Now we will move to the main logic of our function, that is we have to check whether the entered number is an Armstrong number or not. So before moving to the main logic, we will need one more library, that is hash include math dot h. So we will require this library to perform the function. So we will be using the if loop, if else loop. So in if we will write pow third digit comma 3. So we have wrote the hash include mat.h library for this function, that is the power function, which is a mathematical function. So here what is happening, that when we write pow third digit comma 3 in the brackets, so the third digit will raise to the power 3. So it works like that. So plus pow second digit comma 3 plus pow third digit comma 3 3, that should be is equal to our number, that is the sum of the individual digits raised to the total length of the number should be equal to the number itself. So if this condition is satisfied, we will print the entered number is an Armstrong number. Else we will print the entered number is not an Armstrong number. Okay, and here our code will be completed. So let's run the code and see the output. Yeah, we have wrote here number, whereas we have taken into the number, we use the variable num for taking the number from variable. Okay, so my mistake. The second digit. Okay, you should look for carefully for the typing errors, so this can introduce some errors in your output also. Enter a 3-digit number, so let us type the 153. So let us optimize the code of more little. And now let's run the code. Enter a 3-digit number 153. So the digit at the zeros place is 3, digit at tens place is 5, and digit at hundreds place is 1. So the logic we have implemented for getting the digits at individual places is correct, it's functioning correctly, and the entered number is not an Armstrong number. So here we have done one more mistake. In the if function we have wrote third digit one more time, so now it will function correctly. So let's check it. 153, entered number is an Armstrong number. Okay, so let's test it one more time for the next number. So let us type 370. So entered number is an Armstrong number. So zeros place is 0, 7 at tens place, hundreds place is 3, and the entered number is Armstrong number. We can calculate the sum individually. 3 square, that is 3 cube is 27 and 3 cube is 27, 7 cube is 343, that is 343 plus 27, we get 370. So it's satisfying the condition of the Armstrong number. And let's check for another number which is not an Armstrong number. Let's check for 480. So entered number is not an Armstrong number, and the condition is and the digit logic which we have implemented, it is showing the correct values. That is the 100 place is 4, tens place is at 8, and zeros place is 0. So we have implemented the program for finding whether the number is an Armstrong number or not. So thank you for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe. If you have any query regarding the program, you can write in the comment section, and if you have any you can also send me problem statements in the comment section, and I will look into it, and I will try to write the program or solve the problem statements in the next video. And I am also a learner like you and a passionate C programmer. So let's all of us get together and learn together. Here no one is an expert, so we will learn and grow through mistakes. So let's continue this process. Thank you.